Aloha Kauai. This is your County of Kauai briefing for Monday, December 13th. I'm Kauai Emergency Management Administrator Elton Ushio. The Kauai District Health Office is announcing two new fatalities for COVID-19 today. Both of them were Kauai residents. One was a Kauai resident in his 60s who was hospitalized. The second fatality was a past Kauai death that has been determined to be COVID related. This death was in a male resident in his 40s. Our deepest condolences to their ohana and loved ones. Since the beginning of the pandemic, 12 Kauai residents and 2 visitors on Kauai have died from COVID-19. The Department of Health's State Laboratories Division announced on Friday that they have detected 12 cases of the Omicron variant on Oahu. For more, we turn to Kauai Deputy District Health Officer Lauren Guest.
Thanks, Elton. Omicron is confirmed to be here in Hawaii, and it is likely a matter of time before it is detected on Kauai. The Omicron variant is exhibiting traits indicating it is even more transmissible than the Delta variant. The good news is that COVID-19 vaccines and boosters appear to slow the spread of Omicron and are effective in preventing severe illness. All the same advice applies. Get vaccinated, get your booster, wear a face mask, and avoid large crowds. If you have symptoms, please get tested and avoid other people. Today, the Kauai District Health Office is reporting 12 new cases, all residents. 4 are children and 8 are adults. All 12 cases are considered community-acquired. 8 of the community-acquired infections are close contacts of a previously announced case or are tied to an active cluster. The remaining 4 cases have no known source of infection. We are currently monitoring 3 active clusters, including 1 restaurant, 1 social gathering, and 1 construction industrial setting. Today's cases bring the number of active cases to 81, with 7 hospitalized and 3,355 cumulative cases. If you test positive for COVID-19, please do not get retested while you are in isolation. This potentially exposes others while you are infectious and is not a good use of testing resources. In fact, CDC recommends that you do not test again within 90 days of your initial positive test unless you have a new onset of symptoms. This is because you can continue to test positive during this time but do not pose an infection risk to others. If you are considering retesting, please consult with your DOH case monitor before doing so. Hawaii residents ages 16 and 17 are now eligible for a booster dose if it has been at least 6 months since their initial dose of the Pfizer vaccine. All adults can receive a booster dose if it has been at least 2 months since their J&J vaccine or 6 months since completing their Moderna or Pfizer series. We recommend that parents get their children ages 5 and older vaccinated as soon as possible as we head into the holiday season of gatherings and events. For a full list of locations for vaccines for kids and adults, visit kauai.gov/vaccine.
Thanks, Lauren. A free mobile clinic for keiki ages 5 to 11 is taking place today, December 13th, from 4 to 6 p.m. at Kapa'a Neighborhood Center. No appointments are needed. Just show up. Minors must be accompanied by a parent or guardian. The free pediatric vaccine for ages 5 to 11 is also available 7 days a week at Walmart and Long's in Kukui Grove. Walmart accepts walk-ins. Appointments are recommended at Long's at cvs.com/vaccine. The Kaiser Permanente Lihue Clinic accepts walk-ins weekdays until 4:30 p.m. Wilcox Medical Center's clinic for ages 5 to 11 is open Tuesday afternoons. Appointments are available at wilcoxhealth.org/vaccine. The Kauai Veterans Memorial Hospital, KVMH, clinic for ages 5 to 11 accepts walk-ins Wednesdays from 2 to 5 p.m. This Saturday, December 18th, Ho'ola Lahui will hold mobile vaccine clinics for everyone ages 5 and older at both their Kapa'a and Waimea medical clinics from 9 to 11 a.m. Walk-ins are accepted and no appointments are needed. For a full list of vaccine locations for children and adults, including information about boosters, please visit kauai.gov/vaccine. If you have any symptoms, please isolate yourselves and get tested. Free tests are widely available on Kauai. Please visit kauai.gov/COVID test for times and locations. Finally today, on behalf of our entire COVID-19 incident management team, a big mahalo to our Hawaii National Guard members. They are being deactivated this week by the State Department of Defense. They were a critical part of our COVID response efforts for the past 19 months. You may have seen them in uniform doing airport screenings or staffing our testing sites at the convention hall and our mobile van. They also helped with our contact tracing to help slow the spread of COVID after people tested positive. Mahalo nui loa to the Hawaii National Guard, and thanks to all of you for working together to keep Kauai safe. Mahalo, Kauai.